time. We needed help.
I saw that.
Yeah, we just timed that just right, getting off that rock. Hope you didn't gut anything underneath that car.
I don't think we did.
Nah.
I'm glad it's okay. All right.
That's why I thought you were the police coming.
No, we're not the cops. Boat docks right in the back. Some of you even have garages with electric garage door openers. You pull your boat in and hit the button and the garage door goes down. So again, Grand Lake, Colorado. It's a pretty steep hill. Went right up. Gave it a little bit of throttle when I need it. My wife's up front on her Sonders Fold X, the white one. Check out my video. I have a video on how to assemble it. And then I have another video on how you can modify the gear ratio for 7th gear so you're not hamstering when you're going up to 20 mile per hour. So we'll come down the hill here and just some gorgeous, gorgeous homes along here on the lake. So this is coming up on the entrance of Rocky Mountain National Park. It'll take you over Trail Ridge Road and then eventually into Estes Park, which is an amazing drive. But right before the entrance, we're going to turn off and go into the Grand Lake Lodge, which is a really cool place. And we'll go up, sit out on the front porch and have a drink. Established in 1920.
Riding gear. But for me, I'm leaning over too much on this one for my sit stance. So the step is going to be my...
Yeah, go with a step. We just stumbled upon a vintage trailer group that had all their old trailers. So let's check out some footage just for a minute or two on some of the old trailers from the 50s and 60s. And I think there was even one from the 40s, 49. So let's check it out. And this is 1947?
1949.
1949 Spartanette. So 2 years after World War II was over, this was built.
It's the original door.
I have 20, 30,000 in the camper.
1961 Holiday Traveler. Isn't this gorgeous? With two monkey Hondas.
Oh, yeah, okay.
What year is this?
61.
61 Kenskill?
Yep.
Man, is this nice.
And I love the windows.
And your monkeys.
That's what sold me on it. That whole front bank had of windows.
That's what was so
This is the back end of the 1961 Kenskill. Is this cool or what? So here's a 1977 Great Divide made where?
Commerce City.
Commerce City outside of Denver.
Yeah.
Very
Very
cool.
local. And it's our second Great Divide.
Oh, really?
We had a 20-footer that we bought last year and brought it to this campground for our first outing, and it got stolen in less than 6 months. They're apparently in great demand. Great Divide is in great demand.
1957 Field and Stream. Year is this?
55
55 Airstream.
Globetrotter.
Globetrotter. Let's go look at the back end. Sloped back end, 1955, I guess. Wow. Looks like a 1963 Fireball. Very cool. That's a 1959. What model? What is it?
It's a security.
59 security, so that's the same age as me. 59. Wow. 67 Scotty.
You betcha.
Yep.
Raise your window, baby. Slide out soft and slow. All the neighbors there talking that stuff 'cause they don't know. I'm in a New York state of mind. Was so easy.